Hello friends, hope you're all doing good. In this video, let us see how to make a onion tomato raw chutney. So for this, first you have to cut onions into bigger pieces and also tomatoes. I have taken half kgs each and then grind them into a fine paste. So this will be like a raw chutney without much usage of gas stove. We will be grinding both the ingredients raw and use it. Now add 1 spoon of chili powder to it and mix it well. Now add salt to taste. You can add 1.5 spoons for this quantity. And mix it well. Now heat 2 tablespoons of gingelly oil. You have to heat it until it smokes. And then pour the oil into this mixture. And mix it well. That's it friends. Your onion tomato raw chutney is ready. This will be one of the best tasting chutneys. This will go very well with idlis and all other tiffin items as well. Hope you liked this video and I hope you would try this chutney. Thank you.